Hello. Overall, a bullish week for energy prices, so let's take a look at the week's actions in some more detail. Prices rose on Monday as OPEC Plus agreed to maintain current production levels as opposed to increasing them, which had been a possible outcome. Brent rose once again on Tuesday, supported by a backdrop of geopolitical tensions. Conflict between Ukraine and Russia escalated and the US failed to reach an agreement with Iran regarding nuclear development. Front-month Brent rose $1.21 per barrel day on day. Prices eased on Wednesday and front-month Brent lost just over $0.50 per barrel. The weekly EIA report showed an increase in gasoline inventories by 5.2 million barrels, which was more than expected by market participants. Brent rose on Thursday as market participants responded to the news that the US and China are expected to meet for more trade talks. And last night, front-month Brent closed at $65.48 per barrel, which is up $1.5 compared to last Friday. All contracts rose on Monday. Wind output was revised downwards. There was an unplanned outage at St Fergus and temperature forecasts were also revised downwards. Most contracts then rose on Tuesday with increased demand and reduced supplies impacting the system's length. All contracts fell on Wednesday. An increase in solar generation reduced demand for gas-fired generation. And despite bearish fundamentals, all contracts rose on Thursday. So last night, all contracts closed higher compared to last Friday. Winter 25 gained 5.5 pence per therm and summer 26 gained 4.3 pence per therm. Movement of power contracts were mixed on Monday. Prompt prices rose in line with reduced solar and wind output forecasts. Contracts moved higher on Tuesday in line with rising gas and carbon, and prices largely mirrored the movements of gas on Wednesday, with a strong renewable output adding further pressure to prompt prices. Power prices then tracked the wider energy complex higher on Thursday, despite healthy system dynamics. Last night, all contracts closed higher compared to last Friday. Winter 25 rose £2.45 per megawatt hour, and summer 26 gained £1.13 per megawatt hour. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thanks for watching. See you next week.